Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make a super cute DIY gift hamper. Let's get started! First, gather all the gift items you have. I'm going to add these cute little items because I'm making a special gift hamper for a little girl. Now, take any box you have. I'm using this toy box for my hamper. Next, I'll add a layer of thermocol sheet inside the box using double-sided tape. I'm going to use pink paper to wrap the box. You can use wrapping paper if you have it. Now, I'm going to wrap the box with wrapping paper to make it more secure and give it a neat finish. Now comes the fun part. Let's arrange all the gift items inside. I'll use double-sided tape to secure the items and keep everything nicely in place. I've already uploaded the tutorial for this cute holder. I'll add the link in the description, so make sure to check it out. It's perfect for adding chocolates, cards, and other small gifts. Oops, it's actually really heavy. Once everything is arranged, let's cover the hamper with a transparent sheet. And now, let's give it that cute candy-inspired look. I'm making these paper fans to create a cute candy wrapper effect on both sides. if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to give it a like. It really motivates me to keep making more creative DIYs for you. Our adorable little gift hamper is ready. I absolutely love how cute it turned out. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it. And tell me in the comments, what should I make next?